logically, if you're a team lead of 5 people, 10 people, 15 people, you know your team. You know who's thriving, who's struggling. You know who's the new joiner. You know who might be on the edge, who might be looking for new opportunities outside. You have a pretty good feeling of your team. Now, so that means line manager is typically not the audience for people analytics. As you grow and you become a manager, typically we see a turning point when you reach, a couple of hundred people that you are responsible for. You start losing sight. The fog of business starts rolling into your view, and you might not notice it, but you lose track. You know less and less about more and more people. Though many companies or many people, they don't realize that until they reach maybe 500 or 1,000 people. At which point, typically, you run into issues, you run into a crisis of some sort, and you need to figure out what is it that just hit us. And then that's when you start looking at people analytics. So simplistic, look at a company size of plus 500, and most companies would need to have some sort of analytics that can help them. Quite often companies, that size, they use homegrown systems, the way they've always done things, that's how they operate. And often they don't see a need for bringing in technology because it's a complicating factor and they rely on the methods that they have been using all the time.